And today we're gonna start with the king of all fast food restaurants. I have a weird order for you. If you ask me, McDonald's should start serving it like this. Okay, let's give it a taste. What's going on, guys? Carlo Macapinlac here from newbiefitnessacademy.com, and welcome to the first episode of Keeping It Keto. Keeping It Keto is a series of videos where we go to different fast food places and restaurants and we order keto food. Because listen, life happens. I get it, right? So whether you're traveling, maybe you just don't have time to cook, maybe you're in the middle of nowhere and fast food is your only option, it doesn't mean that you have no choice but to go off your diet. There are ways around it. And that's what the Keeping It Keto series is all about. And today we're gonna start with the king of all fast food restaurants. I'm gonna show you how to order McDonald's breakfast and keep it keto. Okay, so I'm just pulling up to the drive-thru window here. Step number one when you're ordering keto food at a fast food joint is, listen, you have to understand that this is completely foreign to them, okay? So number one, you have to be nice to them. And number two, you have to prep them, okay? You have to prep them. Just wait. Hi there, this is gonna be a bit of a weird order. Is that okay?
Sorry?
I have a weird order for you.
Yeah.
I just want 2 pieces of egg.
I'm sorry, how many pieces of egg?
2. An order of sausage, just the
Okay.
sausage patty, and an order.
In all one container?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
And a side order of bacon.
Okay.
That's everything.
No drink?
No drink today.
5 cents for the
Thanks so much. How's it going? Not too bad, thank you. Just on Visa, please.
Thank you.
Thanks so much. Thanks, man. I love your hair. Okay, so we have our breakfast right here. It actually looks really tasty. And I'm gonna show you a little hack on how to eat this properly, okay? So we're actually gonna make an egg sandwich out of this. Okay, so as you can see, we have the ultimate egg sandwich right here. If you ask me, McDonald's should start serving it like this. If McDonald's puts this on the menu, they're gonna start attracting so many keto people because of it. Okay, let's give it a taste. The egg actually holds the sausage and bacon really nicely until it falls apart. I don't know about you guys, but McDonald's has the tastiest sausage on the planet. Don't you think? Just give me another bite. The bacon is nice and crispy. Oh my god. I could eat this every day. Okay guys, I'm almost done with the sandwich and the egg is still keeping everything together. This is awesome. Wow. Like when I'm drinking Starbucks coffee. Okay, so all in all, that was really good. And this kind of just goes to show that your imagination, seriously you guys, your imagination is the only thing that would hold you back from staying keto when you're eating out at fast food restaurants. My number one tip here is, you probably noticed, I ordered off the menu, okay? So if you're eating fast food, the number one thing that you have to ask is, can you order just, let's say, a side order of egg, or a side order of bacon, or a side order of burger patty, okay? If they say yes, that is a complete game changer, because right away you can just pick and choose what you're gonna eat, right? And as you probably noticed, I ordered off the menu, I made my own breakfast sandwich, and it was delicious. Okay, so here are the numbers of my McDonald's breakfast sandwich. I have it written down here. It had 380 calories, 4 grams of carbs, 29 grams of fat, and 26 grams of protein. In terms of your keto macros ratio, it's 4% carbs, 27% protein, and 69% fat. You guys, that's literally the perfect macros for keto. And it only cost me $5.12. I mean, I'm in Canada, so it's probably a little bit cheaper if you live in the US. And you know what? I get it. It's a little bit pricier than an Egg McMuffin. I think an Egg McMuffin is like $4, but who cares, okay? I'm showing you a way here that if you pay a little extra, you get to stay on keto, still get to enjoy yourself. If you ask me, it's totally worth it. Now, here's what not to eat at McDonald's for breakfast, okay? I mean, obviously, you can't have oatmeal, you can't have muffins, you can't have a blueberry muffin, you can't have a McGriddle. If you order an Egg McMuffin, you have to eat it without the muffin, and that's why I just ordered off the menu. Now, I want you to comment below this video, what is your favorite keto McDonald's breakfast? I want to know. And I also want you to comment below this video which fast food joint you want me to do next. Alright, that's it for this Keeping It Keto episode. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, the next question then becomes, how are you actually supposed to eat if you want to lose weight? Because let's be honest, 80% of your body composition is determined by your diet. You can't just freestyle this part. Do you have a proven plan that you can follow? To help you with that, I want to give you a free copy of my Lean Body Blueprint. This is how I melted all the fat around my stomach and turned it into a six-pack without going on a crazy diet or wasting hours at the gym. It's a simple 4-step process specifically designed for busy professionals just like you, and it's the exact same blueprint that I teach all my private coaching clients, and they've all gone to see some amazing results. If you want to be the next success story, then download your free copy of the Lean Body Blueprint right now. There's going to be a link in the description box. Just click on it, type in your email, and I'll send it to you right away. All right, that's all I've got. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Follow me on Instagram, my handle's at the top, and subscribe to my channel. I post a new video every Friday. And hey, leave me a comment if you have any questions about this video. All right, thanks for watching. Virtual high five.